Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we are in a new city and the one of my back is our hotel for the next free night. So
Welcome to Siena!
let's start the new exploration.
Siena is a city full of culture, art and history, and also stories that go back to its foundation. According to the legend, Siena was established by Sennius, son of Remus. When Remus was killed by his twin Romulus, Sennius and his brother Ascanio left Rome because they were both persecuted by the uncle Romulus. Unfortunately, there's no evidence regarding the foundation of the city, even if in the legends there's often a bit of truth.
So we are actually at the Cathedral of Siena, and as you can see, it's really beautiful here. And one particular thing about it is that this cathedral is in a Gothic style, and it's one of the most significant churches in Italy. Let's have a closer look at it.
Entering the cathedral means not only experiencing spiritual elevation, but also opening up to beauty and exploring one of the city's most valuable art treasures. It was built between the mid-12th century and the 13th century. The origins of the first structure was obscure and shrouded in legend. There was a 9th century church with Bishop's Palace at the present location. In December 1058, a synod was held in this church, resulting in the election of Pope Nicholas II and the deposition of the anti-pope Benedict X.
Included in the ticket to visit the museum, you can go on top of an ancient tower and you will can see an amazing view.
Quick lunch, so we bought focaccia, the type of bread here in Italy, and a typical salami from Siena, and some cheese. Let's taste it. This type of salami is really different from the others that I tasted, but I can say that it's really good. lots of grease spot, but it's good.
Now we are in the Duomo Crete, and every time I'm inside an ancient place like this, I'm always surprised. Surprised because I think how can people more than 1000 years ago could do some wonderful place and painting like this. And now we are inside the baptistery. Here the Duomo of Siena is built in 3 different levels. The highest one is the first one that we visit and is the most beautiful, the Duomo. Then there is the crypt, and the third one is the baptistery, where actually we are.
È una delle qualità migliori di alcol in commercio. Quando bevi sembra quasi un succo di frutta. Questo lo utilizziamo anche come topping per il gelato.
How is it?
Very, very good. Meno male che non devo guidare dopo.
The city is historically linked to commercial and banking activities, having been a major banking center until the 13th and the 14th centuries. Siena is also home to the oldest bank in the world, the Monte dei Paschi Bank, which has operated continuously since 1472.
So after a good chocolate tasting, we decided to come here at the Piazza del Campo, where once a year there is the Palio di Siena, which means that here once a year there is like a horse racing all around here. The horses run all around the corner, and
The Palio of Siena is famous around all the world, and here in this square is since 1644. They don't eat, but we know that they start this competition since 1000 years ago. And another things, we know that there are 17 houses who race, so 17 horses. And yes, it's a bit little like the house of Harry Potter. And this competition for the people of this city. Remember that the Palio Siena is not a game.
So our next stop is here at Palio, a very famous street food in Siena, and we decided to take the bread. What's the name of that bread?
Focaccia.
The focaccia.
It's a pan focaccia, this one.
Okay, so the pan focaccia, and the owner recommended us to take the sausage, which we call salsiccia here,
and we took it with mushrooms and 4 cheese. So now we are actually in a park where in the past it used to be a fortress to protect the city of Siena. So let's have a little walk and see around. Giant pizza, and the name is Castello del Takeaway, and as you can see here there's a big dough of pizza and lots of ingredients inside, so I'm too excited to taste it. Let's start. Buon appetito!